Hello YouTubers! Today I want to show you my old project. This is a low power isolation transformer for protecting from ground loop and electromagnetic noise various equipment like a oscilloscope, signal generator, or whatever you have or whatever you need. This device providing galvanic isolation of the AC line and will save your equipment from the potential ground loop damages or wrong measurement. Let's see closer what is this and how it made. Okay, I use not so too much components. Probably this is the best position. I use not so too much components, but it's enough to provide a good performance in my situation. Okay, first of all, no, not this. First of all, let's talk about the power cable, input power cord, and one of the important part, this is ferrite cores or ferrite choke. Here as you can see 3 ferrite chokes and all of them are different. And all of these chokes providing the noise suppression from the about 10 kHz up to 1 MHz. Oh, excuse me, 1 GHz. So, next step in this project, let's connect it. Let's look like this. So, next part. This is a ME filter. This is a 2-stage ME filter, providing this unit or this part, providing the suppressing the common noise and differential noise. Here is inside the 2 different transformers. Okay. To save transformers from potential DC in AC line, I add to my project the DC blocking capacitor. Pretty big, but working good. And next step, of course, fuse. Fuse must be present always in any electrical equipment. Doesn't matter is this power supply, some signal generator, doesn't matter, oscilloscope. Always for any of your projects use the fuses. Again, ferrite cores. And finally we have the 2 power transformers, both of them providing the up to 50 watt, and it's enough to supply small oscilloscope or some small measuring equipment, signal generators, frequency counter, whatever you have or whatever you need. If someone interested, look at the schematic diagram. I can share some very simple drawing, and let's go step by step what we got. Input line, hot, neutral, ground, ferrite core, everything is here. Okay, next step, ME filter. Oh, here you can see very clear common filter and the differential filter. Next step, the capacitor, DC blocking capacitor. Here, fuse. I forgot about the fuse. So here is also present fuse, but not present. In real life, it's present. 2 ferrite cores are here. In the power transformer, nothing special, 1-to-1 power transformer, up to 50 watt output power, and the shielding. I like the shielding. Again, about couple words about the shielding. It's external shielding and internal shielding. External, you can see the clear, but internal, it's inside between primary and secondary winding. Final step, regular outlet, just plug and play. Couple words regarding the ground. Pay attention and be very careful with ground line. Here is wall ground line going through all this system. Sounds as good, I like it. And connected to the outlet on a transformer. So what I mean, or I'm talking about the how made your equipment, or how organized, internally organized the ground line, your oscilloscope or signal generator, the B and C connectors. You need to know, is this connected to ground line on the front panel, or not connected, doesn't connect it to ground line, because it can create for you some surprises. So that's my message. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope it was interesting for you guys, and see you next time. 73.